going to harvest these little onion sets because they have done all that they're going to do, and I need them to use in a project. So let's harvest these and see what we get. These are the little sets that you can get at all your big box stores. And I love these because these are the ones that I use to dehydrate my tops to get my onion powder. They're like a dual purpose onion. They look pretty good. I mean, they've been through the ringer. Rocky's been out here messing with them. So I only need a cup for what I'm doing. So this will be perfect for what I need to get done. Some are smaller than others, but hey, I'll take whatever I can get. And these are going to be perfect for me and what my project is going to be. And I will come back and let you guys see the project after I get it completed, because I've never done it before. So hopefully it will turn out, because you guys have been inspiring me to try different things in my garden. So this is one of the things you guys have inspired me to do. So this is like a little baby one. I hope you guys can see it because it is something sunny out here and hot. Alright, I got a couple more to get, and then that will be all that I'm going to be harvesting. And I only grew it in one of these little cement trays. I'm telling you, don't sleep on these trays, because they are awesome. Alright, this is my last one. And these were the onion ones that I got from Bonnie Plant from the big box store. Alright, let's check out what I got. We're going to go clean these up, and then I'll show you exactly what the finished product looks like. Alright guys, I'll be back in a little bit. These are my onions that I just harvested. These are those pearl onions that you can get in the store, and they cost a mint to for that little can, or sometimes you can get them in a little basket or all bunched up together. But overall, I did a good little harvest that I'm going to use these in my recipe that I'm going to be working on next. Alright guys, if you see these little bunches of yellow, white, and red onions, grab you a bunch, get you one of them concrete bins, get some good dirt, plant them, and you'll be able to make onion powder out of them from the green tops. And then at the end of the season, you'll be able to have some pearl white onions. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? All that from my garden. Alright guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And Miss Renee will catch you in the next video.